Hi guys, it's Didi with Didi Loves Beauty. Thank you for tuning in to this video. I'm coming in with a quick video, guys. This is not going to be long at all. I'm just coming in giving an update on this wig that I purchased from MyFirstWig. I know this looks very familiar. I think everybody on YouTube had this wig. This is the This is the Malaysian human hair straight wig with bangs, and it's in the name of the wig on their website is Olivia. And I just wanted to give you my true opinion of this unit. Guys, I think this wig has been holding up pretty well. If you want to check out the deets, go ahead and check out my MyFirstWig. I did check to see if the wig was still available, and it is. This is a straight wig. I do like it. So I've had this for a long time. I actually purchased this wig, believe it or not, in 2017. I only wore it for a short period of time because I wore it for maybe a couple months, and then I put it up because it was just too hot here in Texas. And I put it up safely, and then I just decided to take it out a week ago, and I co-washed it. And then, did I co-wash it? Yeah, so I co-washed it, and then I just put it back on my head. I cut it a little bit. So I did cut this wig a little bit, so it's not as long as it was when I first purchased it. I think when I purchased it, it was, what was the length on here? I don't remember what the link is. I'll put the deets somewhere in the bottom once I figure it out. But I will say, if you are able to get a higher density of hair, get that, because the one thing that I don't like about this hair is that it is too thin for me. I do like for my hair to be a little bit thicker, and this is just not thick enough for me. I think that's why I didn't wear it for a long period of time before I switched it out. But the hair is still super soft. Like I said, I just co-washed it. I've only been wearing it again for about a week. It still feels super soft to the touch. It doesn't tangle up, it doesn't shed. I really like that about this hair, and especially since it's a wig, you know, there's things that you have to worry about. It is completely lace, so you can, if you want to, you know, glue it down, use your got-to-be glue, whatever you want to use. I don't do that with this hair. I just put a band underneath it, and I just wear it like that. I feel like since it has bangs and it comes down on the side, you don't really need to glue it down, and I'm not going anywhere to where, you know, it has to be tacked down or I think something will happen to it. The wig itself, when I purchased it, it was $270, but then they were having a sale, so I got a discount off of it. I think that is a good price for a wig already. I don't buy very many wigs, so I'm not sure, but I know they can get pretty pricey. I know this is like their, you know, beginner edition. So if you are a beginner and you have not gotten into wigs before and you want to try it out, I definitely think this is one that I would recommend that you try out if you're a beginner, just because it's so easy to wear. You don't have to worry about lace showing. You don't have to worry about, you know, oh, can you see, you know, knots or anything with it. You literally can just take it out the box and pop it on your head, and you're good to go. So it has held up pretty well. To say I only wore it for a couple of months and then put it in the box, and I'm just now wearing it, what, 2 years later, it is still holding up. And I will kind of show you in the back. So you can see the density with it. So it's not that thick, right? So if you like thick hair, this is definitely not the one that you want to purchase unless you can purchase one that has higher density of hair. These are the deets. I definitely recommend it. No, I'm not sponsored by this company by any means, but I just wanted to come in and give you my true thoughts on it and let you know, does it withhold the test of time. And thanks for tuning in, guys, to this video. If you want to see more hair videos from me, just give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions, additional questions about this, then go ahead and let me know in the comments, and I will respond back to you as soon as I see it. Thanks for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.